In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record online sales tax in Freshbooks. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just starting out, mastering how to correctly input sales tax can help keep your books neat and compliant. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to head over to the Invoices section of Freshbooks. This is the central hub where you can manage all your billing activities. It's a breeze to get there. Simply log into your Freshbooks account and you'll see the navigation menu. Just click on Invoices and you're on your way to creating or editing your financial documents. Once you're in the Invoices area, it's time to create a new invoice or select one that you've previously created and might want to edit. This flexibility allows you to either start fresh or continue working on an existing billing document, making Freshbooks a versatile tool for handling your invoices. To create a new invoice, look for the button that says New Invoice. It's generally visible once you're in the invoice section. Now it's time to add the line items for your products or services. This part is basically about listing the goods you're selling or the services you've provided. When adding these line items, make sure to also include the price for each. Being detailed and accurate helps prevent any misunderstandings later on and ensures your customer knows exactly what they're paying for. The next step is to deal with taxes. You'll need to click on the Add Taxes option. This is where you can apply the relevant sales tax rate to your invoice. Depending on the location where you're doing business, the tax rate can vary, so it's crucial to ensure you have the right rate entered. If you haven't set up a tax rate yet, Freshbooks makes it easy to do so. Simply follow the prompts to set it up, and you'll be ready to go in no time. After you've selected the correct tax rate, the important part is to apply it to the invoice. This application will include it in the total, ensuring that the invoice reflects the complete amount due, including the cost of your services or products, plus the sales tax. This way, you're making sure all calculations are accurate and nothing is left out. By following these steps, you'll have a professional-looking invoice that clearly details the product, service charges, and applicable sales tax. Ensuring accuracy is not only crucial for your records, but also essential for maintaining trust and transparency with your clients. Freshbooks simplifies this process, making it easy to handle your billing and stay compliant with tax regulations. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.